Dear viewers, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you, wherever you're watching this program from. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned whenever I post a new video. In this channel, I bring the news to you, how it happened, the importance and implications with regards to politics, security, economy, social, cultural, and educational perspectives. Nigerian government, through the Central Bank of Nigeria, bans the use of cryptocurrency for either transaction or trading of it officially on online platform. The Central Bank of Nigeria, in their recent directives on 5th February 2021, to all deposit money banks, non-bank financial institutions, and other financial institutions read: the Central Bank of Nigeria's CBN Circular of January 12, 2017, reference, as you can see above, which caution deposit money banks, non-bank financial institutions, and other financial institutions and members of the public on the risk associated with transactions in cryptocurrency, refers further to the earlier regulation directives on the subject. The bank hereby wishes to remind regulated institutions that dealing in cryptocurrencies or facilitating payments for cryptocurrency exchanges is prohibited. Accordingly, all DMBs, MBFIs, and OFIs are directed to identify persons and or entities transacting in or operating cryptocurrency exchanges within their systems and ensure that such accounts are closed immediately. That was the directives from the Central Bank of Nigeria to the all mentioned institutions with regards to virtual currency operations in Nigeria. Let me briefly explain to you what is cryptocurrency. It is a digital currency which you can use to buy goods and services, vice versa. It is also tradable because you can trade it to make profit. What this means is that you can use it to make payment in any online platform, just the same way you can use your credit card. Currently, Visa card and other card-related ATMs have started accepting cryptocurrency in their platforms, including PayPal, because PayPal just recently created a platform for cryptocurrency exceptionally. So you can trade or use cryptocurrency through what they call blockchain. It is a kind of decentralized market to which you create an account, verify it, deposit your money, then use it to purchase your goods and services depending on what you needed online. Just the same way you can go to market and buy goods, you can buy that same goods online and make payment and have it delivered. It is not only goods that you can use it for. For instance, you can send money to Nigeria now through cryptocurrency and somebody will receive the money through his or her account. The same way you send dollars, euro, or Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, or any other currency to your loved ones in Nigeria, and they pull it through their bank account. FAT says that there are about 6,700 different cryptocurrencies that are traded publicly in the coin market or crypto market. But basically, here are the few most powerful cryptocurrencies that are better off known to people, especially the very two that are traded by Nigerians and many other people in the world, because they are exchangeable through the US dollars, which means you can deposit US dollars and trade them, or convert them to US dollars easily. So, and that is why you can use the platform of your blockchain or whatever means you are using to trade it. Just like you used to send money to Nigeria, or receive money, or send money to any other part of the world, or buy goods in any part of the world, or receive your, make payment for anything, you can use cryptocurrency. So following the fact that Nigerian government banned the recipient of any money sent from abroad in Naira in Nigeria, limiting the access of many Nigerians in the currency market. So, which means some part of the country that travels abroad, like southern part of the country, the middle belt, and to a smaller extent, Hausa people, because you can agree with me that Fulani people don't travel abroad. Where they go to is only the Muslim-related countries of a pilgrimage. So, aside that, their local dollar traders are basically in the market, so and control some parcel of dollars, giving them hegemony in that field, the local barrier de change, because the same effect of local barrier de change is the same effect of these online transactions and cryptocurrency. So the implication here is that after blockading the borders of Nigeria, important borders where goods and services come in through, they saw that it is not really affecting the same people they are targeting, which is the southern part of Nigeria, and especially Igbo people that does business outside the country. They saw that it's not working. What did they do? They move in to ban foreign transactions. That is, that nobody can receive money again from outside the world except those that has dollar account and the related. Now, you see how they are trying to bridge the gap of the economic strength and the access to market against the southern part of Nigeria, Igbo people specifically, and to a limited extent, Middle Belt and Hausa people, who can travel to any of this open world and not only to Muslim countries. That is the same reason why the embassies in all the countries where these people are don't work effectively, as against the effectiveness of the embassies in the Muslim countries. Again, after banning the currency, they saw that people are still penetrating, doing everything they can to succeed in the market. They move against cryptocurrency, which is the alternative means which people are not only buying goods and having access to markets, but they also make money on that platform. In the same vein, you can agree with me that many Nigerians have started diversifying ways to make money online, basically on online platform. Back to the most popular cryptocurrency traded, the first one is Bitcoin, and Nigeria is the second largest market for Bitcoin. after United States of America. Now, the second one is Ethereum. So you have Theta, you have Polkadot, you have SRP, you have Cardano, you have Chainlink, you have Litecoin, you have Bitcoin Cash, and you have Binance Coin. These are the most popular, but specifically what they traded, what the world trade mostly because of its access to United States dollars, is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Because the rest of them, you need to have cryptocurrency account before you transact with other cryptocurrencies. But this one, you can have USD account and make your transactions successfully. I will make another video on how people can trade Bitcoin. Even though that Nigerian government cannot stop the trading of Bitcoin entirely because it is a centralized market. The only thing here is that regardless of the argument people are making that it's only the bank that it's affecting, it is not really that, because it's through your bank that you can verify your account due to the bank statement required. Or even if you don't use your bank statement and you tend to use electricity bills and every other related document that has your identity, there is every need for you to also fund your account through your bank, which means whatever transaction you are making, the bank is aware of it and they can control it or report you against these directives, or block your account, or even hold the money, or maybe however means they will tend to regulate it. But the fact remains that Bitcoin is a decentralized market and cannot be controlled by Nigerian government that easily. Disclaimer is attached to this video because a lot of people might go against this policy and say that somebody advised them to. No. But I'm trying to make you know that you can trade Bitcoin with your blockchain without the bank influence. Anyways, let me leave it at this point because there are many other points to be shared, but I always don't want the video to be too long. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification button to stay tuned. Also, share your comment in the comment section.